Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2017 Ford Explorer Sport. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine and has four-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back, we do have rear park sensing, that nice backup camera right there, a dual exhaust, and looking at the side, we do have mud flaps on both rear and front wheel wells, as well as a nice roof rack. And moving to the front, we also have front park sensing as well as a front view camera. We do have that license plate bracket, a block heater is in there, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle also comes equipped with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. This vehicle also comes equipped with the automatic trunk opener, which you can open with the buttons up there, of course. Or you can use your key fob to open it. You can close it with this as well, or the key fob. Looking in the back, we do have plenty of cargo space with hooks and a 12-volt outlet right there. You can also collapse your seats like this by pressing those buttons, and they automatically close for you, which is always a plus, providing you with a lot of extra space. You can also collapse the middle rows there for extra cargo space. We do have nice little cabinets and cup holders for the back seats as well, which is always cool. And to get it back up, all you have to do is hit these buttons, and they fold up for you, which is always cool. And we can close our trunk by just hitting that button, and it automatically closes for you. Taking a look inside, this vehicle does seat up to 6 people pretty comfortably. We do have a black leather perforated seats, as well as the red stitching. Plenty of door space. We have the black leather and red stitching on the door. We do have a twin panel moonroof, which is always a plus. We have our own climate back there. We also have 2 cup holders, as well as 2 USBs, 110-volt outlet. We also have our own center console storage back here with our own cup holders, a nice little storage place right there. This does open up, of course, providing you with a lot of extra room. This can be removed, providing you with a lot of extra storage. We do have inflatable seat belts in our middle rows here, which is a nice safety precaution. And if you want to get to the back there, you can always move your seat forward there and collapse the seat, providing you with space to get back. Taking a look on the inside, we do have nice black leathering and red stitching we saw on the back there. We have the nice Explorer logo right there, plenty of door space, that leathering we saw on the seats, memory seating for up to 3 drivers. You do have your tailgate opener and your tow and haul button right there. You also have your pedal adjuster on the wheel itself, which is always pretty cool. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 133,743 kilometers. Looking at our steering wheel, we have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, which is also heated, which is a plus. We have our toggle for our right-hand screen there. We have 2 paddle shifters. Your cruise controls right there. Toggle for your right hand. Phone and media controls there, plus your volume. And looking at your left-hand screen here, you do have display mode, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, driving assist, and other settings. And over to your right, you have navigation, entertainment, and phone. Looking to the right of me, we do have this nice leather-wrapped gear shift, 2 cup holders. You have your drive modes right here, which is normal, mud and rut, sand mode, and snow, gravel, and grass mode. You also have your downhill descent right there. We have plenty of room under here with a 12-volt outlet and a USB. This also closes. We do have a nice leather-wrapped center console as well, providing you with another USB down there. And looking up at our media screen here, you do have your climate controls there, which are just little buttons, which is cool. You have your seek, tune, volume, your temperature control, which is dual climate. You have heated and cooled front seats. You have a view of your vehicle, which you can look at. You have your park assist, your CD, and your main screen up here, which on your home menu you can look at navigation, what station you're on, device, and you can turn your heated steering wheel on or off. Looking at audio, we have our climate, so you can also control it here if you'd like. Phone, navigation, any apps you may have downloaded, Sirius XM. This vehicle is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Radio, navigation, Wi-Fi, which is cool. You can change your ambient lighting here. We'll do a nice ice blue. And looking above me, we do have a garage door opener, and you do have your functions for your twin panel moonroof up there, which we saw earlier. We do have a nice carbon fiber accent right there with the Explorer logo, and opening it provides you with a lot of extra storage. The stock number for this vehicle is B7561A, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.